guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sarah. I make a lot of special effects tutorials, mostly around Halloween, but sometimes I make exceptions throughout the year. Some beauty tutorials and a little bit of DIY in between. For today's video, I wanted to do something kind of a little bit special. This is almost like a 3 looks 1 palette, but instead it's just 3 looks all together. I was inspired to do these 3 looks because I have seen GlamGlow's new collaboration with My Little Pony, and I've seen a couple YouTubers do sponsorships with them. I kind of just wanted to give my own little take on the makeup portion of it. So I did 3 looks, one inspired by Twilight Sparkle, one inspired by Princess Luna, and the last one inspired by Pinkie Pie. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this look and 3 other ones, then just keep watching. The first one I'm going to be going over is Twilight Sparkle. For my base, as usual, I'm going to be going in with my NYX Gel pencil and milk. I'm using both Cupcake from Makeup Geek mixed with Instyler, also from Makeup Geek. I'm using that as my transition shade. Next up, mixing both Rosy from ColourPop and Fairy Tale from Makeup Geek into my crease. To give it more dimension, I'm going to be adding Rosy as I see fit. And with NYX's liner in Run the World, I'm lining my waterline and dragging it down just a tiny bit to act as a base for Rosy. Then I'm blending that out with Fairy Tale again, and lastly Instyler. For the middle of my lid, I'm going to be using a Supernova shadow from ColourPop in Moonlit and just blending that onto my lid a little bit. Adding more and then blending it out a little bit, but diffusing it a little bit less than the last time. And lastly, adding in mascara and then a lipstick. I figured it would be appropriate, because this is a My Little Pony collaboration with Glam Gore, that I got the inspiration to do this, that I tie in a few products throughout the video from ColourPop's collaboration with My Little Pony. This one is called Lemon Drop. And that's one look done, but let's keep on flying. Finishing off with a wig and then bam. For Princess Luna, I'm starting off with a black base and setting it with Corrupt from Makeup Geek. Blending that with Fairy Tale. And using Instyler again as my transition color. Lining my waterline real quick, as well as carrying it down a bit, use it as a base. Continuing that with Fairy Tale and then blending it softly again with Instyler. I'm going to be adding another Supernova shadow to this time from the Valley. And finishing off with a mascara as per usual. Basically like clockwork at this point. As for my lipstick for this look though, I'm going to be using Femme from ColourPop, which is not a part of the collaboration that they did with My Little Pony, but regardless. And lastly, Pinkie Pie. Starting with my white base again and mixing Cupcake and Instyler together for my transition shade. Packing on Barbie Girl, which I believe is a Morphe shadow, and onto my lid until about 3/4 of the way in. And then I'm going to be using Sugar Pills Butter Cupcake on the very inner 4th of my eyelid. Marrying those 2 colors together. and then using a gel liner, Prance specifically from ColourPop, putting that just below my waterline. Adding ColourPop's Lost and Found over it. And then adding Cherry's Jubilee on top of Butter Cupcake, which is a Supernova shadow by ColourPop, as a part of the collaboration, again, that they did with My Little Pony. And adding mascara. I also added some white onto my bottom waterline. This is, again, NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Topping my lips with yet another ColourPop in My Little Pony collection. This is an ultra glossy lip in Dream Castle. But I hope you guys liked today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys!